This instrument has been made according to the standards of international CIE. It can measure color different values between two colors, that is delta E and LAB values. Firstly, turn on it and select the languages Chinese or English. After turning on, we must do the black and white calibration to enter main programs. Put the testing aperture to black clarity. Then, press enter button to confirm, and status bar will show black calibration is over. After that, you can select the whole white calibration by button up and down and press enter to confirm it. Next, we select enter main program and press enter to enter. Main program has 4 items: enter sampling, system setting, language selection, and USB communication. Firstly, we select enter sampling. If you press the test button, it will show LAB and LCH values. You can press button save to keep the data. After entering the detection page, we test the sample. Then it will show the different values of delta EAB and delta ECH. At the same time, on the right side, it will show the color deflection between standard and tested samples. Below status bar will show if the tolerances are settable or not according to your tolerance setting. System setting. We are going to explain the system setting in details. Firstly, introduce light source selection. System has 3 light sources: D65, D50, and F11. Every light source contains smooth surface, SCI, and diffuse surface, SCE. We can select one according to the tested surface. Under aqueous condition, light source is D65 SCI pattern. Press cancel button to return, then select time setting. We can revise the time by button up and down step by step. Finally, press cancel button to return. Then it will appear as a dialog to save the records. Sample entering. Enter sampling transfer surface and select sample numbers by up and down button. Then press enter to enter detected surface to test. Records tracking. After entering this page, it will show sample test records. Then try the sample number you need by up and down. System can save 12 pieces of standard values. Press enter button. You can check the color difference under the selected sample by button up and down. Every standard sample can save 30 pieces of test values. Tolerance setting. Tolerance is the maximum accepted deviation. It's the delta E values. We can adjust it by up and down button. Metabolism. Enter this page. We can see the different LAB and LCH values under 3 kinds of light sources, because the color values are different under different light source. Check all of the sample values by pressing up and down. Formatting. This function is to manage the packet of the instrument. Press enter, then the windows of the formatting flash will display. Select yes and wait for a moment. You will complete it. After formatting, all the saved data in this instrument will lose, so user must be careful. USB communication. Enter USB communication. Put the CD into the computer if you use it for the first time. Take out the USB wire, open the cover and connect it to the instrument. Press Enter to do USB communication and insert another end of wire to the computer. The computer on below right corner will display a sentence, "Find new hardware," and you can set up the driver step by step. Click My Computer and double-click the setup icon in CD driver. Then you can see a setup icon. Double-click and select the language to set up.